In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 20% off TurboTax coupon code, TurboTax promo code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find and apply eligible savings so you pay less when you file. Start by heading to the official TurboTax website in your browser. This is where you'll see the most accurate, up-to-date pricing and any limited time promotions they're running during tax season. Once you're there, take a moment to scan the current promotions. TurboTax often features seasonal discounts on federal filing products, and these can appear as banners, pricing callouts, or offers on the product comparison page. Keep in mind that availability changes throughout tax season, so what you see today might be different next week. Next, check for referral discounts. TurboTax's referral program allows eligible new customers to receive 20% off federal filing products when they use a qualifying referral link. This is one of the easiest ways to lock in savings if you're new to TurboTax. To use that referral, make sure you access a valid referral link before you start your return. When you arrive through that link, the discount typically attaches automatically and will carry through to checkout. If you've already begun a return in another tab or on a different device, open a fresh session through the referral link so the discount can apply correctly. Now sign in with your Intuit account or create one if you're new. Using the same account across devices helps keep your progress and any applied offers in sync. If you haven't started yet, use the link provided in the description to access TurboTax and view the current discounts. Entering from that link ensures you're in the right place to see available savings. Choose the filing product that fits your situation, such as Deluxe, Premium, Expert Assist, or Full Service. Eligible discounts typically apply to federal products only. State filing, add-ons, or expert services may be priced separately. As you move through the filing steps, pause at the order summary page and verify the discount is showing before you pay. Look for a line item or percentage reduction on the federal product price. If it's missing, back up to confirm you entered through the referral link or refresh the cart from the offers page. Also check for special discount programs. Depending on eligibility, military members, students, teachers, first responders, and government employees may receive additional savings, sometimes up to 20%. Usually only one promotion applies at a time, so choose the best one for you. When everything looks good, finish preparing your return and submit it through TurboTax. Review the final price one last time, then complete your filing. Thanks for watching.